Wrench Bender title intro. What's up, guys? The GL1000, which from this moment forward will hence be known as Cheap Trick. So I had someone tell me that since I replaced the dummy gas tank up top, I can no longer call it a GL1000. My feelings were hurt. Not really. So we're going to name it Cheap Trick. So from henceforward, it will be the Cheap Trick Project. Yeah, because it was a cheap buy. So I've got my Rhino nose on the front of it. That's the come off, I don't even know what it was, some kind of false luggage rack. Who knows? It was on there when I bought it. I flipped it upside down, and now she's my unicorn. I don't think that's staying, but it is fun to play around with. The one thing that is staying that we have found over the last couple of days, I went ahead and put my exhaust on as we are mocking this thing up. And I'm just going to get a back view of this. Check out how wide those exhaust.
And I have to intervene right now. So
Okay.
I wasn't like crazy about this project. I mean, it was all right. It was cool. We got the tank on there, and I'm like, okay, I'm falling more in love with it. Adam actually mounted this up last night when I wasn't here, and I was the first one in the garage today, and I walked in here this morning, I turned the lights on and seen the exhaust on the side of it, and I went, okay, now I'm in love with this bike.
Yeah,
Because that is sick.
It's starting to come together. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out this gas tank. It obviously is not attached. But we did have some hurdles, and I will briefly talk about that. You will notice that I am missing a radiator. The radiator is at a friend's house currently. He used to work on radiators often, and he thinks he can help us turn the neck of the radiator over about 45 degrees. So it used to sit here, and we want it to sit there. So he's working on that. He's going to give me a call here in a day or two, and hopefully he'll have that finished. We gave him direction of where we want it. That way we know we can mount the gas tank where we want to mount it here. So today we're going to take off, we're going to modify the frame, and we are going to get this gas tank in place.
We hope.
We hope. And, you know, if things go well, maybe we'll do something else, like a battery box. Who knows? We'll see how far it goes. But I got this new battery that we're going to put something like right there. Stay tuned, guys.
Not as sturdy.
Oh, well, cool. You can put that on there. Kind of I'll cover this side a little bit. We'll make sure we get it all, just so we can protect kind of what's going on around here.
Okay. And trust me, you're not going to burn through this because...
You've tried?
No.
No.
Are we filming?
Yeah, we're always filming. Just assume that we're filming.
One of the guys that was in the MIG class that I took decided that right after he finished his bead, right before it cooled down, he was going to swing it around, and he caught me in the arm, and it did not go through.
Okay, Adam. Now we might have to fine tune the back here a little bit, but the rubber mounts are okay. You can move the tank some when we bolt this back section down. But how do you feel about the front? You feel it needs to be closer this way?
No. Don't bump it too much. Let me get up there big. I want to be able to see it from the top side. Touching the motorcycle.
I can get it back here again, so I mean, don't worry about bumping it too much, but
that's pretty good.
go ahead and get your feet up on the foot pegs. It doesn't interfere your legs at all, does it?
Yeah. No, I think that is what it is. I don't know, because you got the seat pan, which the seat needs to start pretty much where it's at.
I know.
So you got to find happy ground there, and I think that is happy ground. What you're getting, what, hungry? Kagan, you're always hungry.
I don't know, the heat's kind of about like what he says. I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. It's so hot.
Alright guys, so here's the situation we've got with this gas tank. I ordered that single Volkswagen carburetor, and it comes with a pre-made manifold and the Solaris it's a Volkswagen carburetor, single carb build. And the idea is it's going to set right up inside here, and it's going to be a little bit higher than these bars. We know that for a fact, but we don't know how much higher. We've watched some other videos and seen pictures, but we don't have a real measurement. So us putting this tank on is a little bit of a risk because
we're already higher than the subframe that was there, and if it'll fit on a factory Goldwing,
but it was up good. I think it was up in the box of the
I understand, but we're higher.
Well, I understand that, but we still got to come off the top with the breathing apparatus for the carburetor. So there's a lot there. Here's where we are. We've made our front mounts. The gas tank on the front is good. It's got our rubber mounts mounted right there. And currently we're trying to figure out where this pipe's going to end up, if we're going to have to bend it or how it's going to go. That's about the position of the gas tank we want. Hopefully we can make that work. I think we're running, it's hot, we're running low on energy, we need some food. I think that's where we're at. But we'll continue on.
And then, before I weld that top piece, I'd like to get this piece set to where I'll have to clean these right here sides, because I want to lay down on this section of frame. And right now, that's kind of, can't do it without squeezing it in there, but I want it to be somewhat level. And we'll clean all this up, and I'll weld this in first. Follow me?
Yep.
And then we'll get this in there, and I'll kind of get an idea what needs to be touched. Very cool. Very cool. You're, hold on, no, not very cool. It's sitting high on the back side back here. You need to clamp this down to this tube. It's all tilted that way. Now you put your finger in there, I bet you already see what's happening.
It's been rough.
You got to figure out, take your finger, put it in there, take your marker and mark. Just put it on the top of it. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Look like total hand bullshit. No.
So what?
It did not go down as much as I wanted it to. I can see it.
Hey guys, what's up? So I would love to tell you that every day here at the garage is marvelous and works out great and our plans are just perfect, but I'm going to tell you that's not how it goes. Today we had a struggle. Things didn't always plan out the way we wanted. We had several issues back and forth, grinded and cut and whatever. We do have a tank on the bike.
We do
Yes.
have a backbone piece that's done.
And we do have a backbone piece that is done.
And it does have a little bend here because we wanted to try and bring this up because we want clearance in here. And it doesn't look great from a side profile, but with the tank on it, you'll never see this bend.
It looks pretty good. I mean,
don't look bad.
I'm not mad about this piece.
But-
We did that because earlier I had said we have a carburetor that's going to come up in here, and we don't know how high, so this is a gamble. I don't know when I'll get the carburetor. Everything's held up in mail. It's just the way things are going right now. So when I get that, we believe that this curved backbone has helped us get the clearance we need to not worry about whether the carburetor is going to fit or not, and we could move forward. Where we ran into problems, grab that tank, and where we're struggling with is getting the tab on the back where we want it. Now, I worked on a piece for a little while. It didn't turn out the way I wanted. And it's getting late on a Saturday and it's been hot, so we're gonna call it a day. Now, next time when we come back, that's probably gonna be fixed and we'll be doing something else. But this just goes to...
We will touch base on what we done to fix it. It
Yeah.
won't be an elaborate part of the video.
We're just part of how it goes. Not every day is perfect at the garage. So, we're going to move on. I'm probably going to go get in the pool. Enjoy the rest of my evening. Hope you guys do too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See you guys.